Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. How to use apple cider vinegar to give your hair shine and smoothness. In today's video, I'm going to show you a recipe using apple cider vinegar that will make your hair much shinier and healthier. If you're blonde, you'll love what I'm going to teach you in this video. When it comes to homemade recipes, you should never doubt the effect of apple cider vinegar on your hair. Not only is it a common ingredient for culinary use, but it can also do a lot to make your hair healthier. Its benefits are numerous and suitable for all hair types. But if you're blonde, apple cider vinegar can't only help you regenerate your hair, but also get rid of the greenish color that appears after swimming in the pool. Did you know? Say goodbye to dry, dull, and lackluster hair with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is great for sealing the hair cuticle. That's why it's often used to treat weak, inelastic, and dull hair. But remember not to use apple cider vinegar too often to avoid hair porosity problems. The ideal is to use this treatment once a week for damaged hair and every 15 days for healthy hair. Want to know how to use apple cider vinegar for your hair? To get the benefits of apple cider vinegar for your hair, you should gradually incorporate the product into your hair care routine. The easiest way to use apple cider vinegar for your hair is to mix 2 to 3 tablespoons in a container with your favorite moisturizing mask. This way, you'll speed up your treatment without worrying about the strong smell that vinegar can have. If you want to get fast results, but the smell of apple cider vinegar in your hair bothers you, mixing it with water is ideal. For this treatment, simply mix 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 500 milliliters of water. Apply the mixture to clean hair and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then simply rinse and apply conditioner as usual. The result is much stronger and healthier hair. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH of hair and is very good for those who are looking for a reconstruction treatment. It's rich in vitamins A and B, seals the hair cuticle, and also acts as an anti-inflammatory, helping to eliminate dandruff. You can even use apple cider vinegar on dirty hair, especially if you want to take advantage of the anti-inflammatory properties to get rid of dandruff. Simply apply the vinegar directly to your scalp and massage it in with your fingertips, never with your fingernails, so as to not hurt the scalp, and wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Then apply the shampoo and wash as usual. Did you like to know how to use apple cider vinegar for your hair? Do it and try it out. Don't forget to like the video and share it with people you know who might be interested in this topic. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.